Hello friends, we are going to write a Python script to print the following pattern. Pattern is like this: 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 7, which is left align. For this, we are going to write a code. We will see the demo. I am writing a loop for a in range starting value 3, ending value 10, step 2, colon. So here for is a keyword, a is the loop variable. The range function will generate a list starting from 3 up to last minus 1. Step is 2, that is 3, 5, 7, 9 are the members of the list generated by the range function. The variable a will take the value one by one in the each iteration. In operator helps this purpose. Inside the body of the for loop, I am writing another for loop. The tab space, it shows the statement which I am going to write is in the scope of the for loop. Now I am writing inner for loop for b in range starting from 1 up to the value of a, the step 2. Here this is the inner for loop. The range function generate a sequence starting from 1 up to a minus 1, the step is 2. So this will generate a sequence for each iteration. Now I am printing print b, and in the element end of the print statement I am giving space. The slash n will be removed, a space will be added. So next, after the inner for loop, I am writing the print statement. Here I will tell you how this logic works. So a starting value is 3, a is 3, and it will come here. The sequence will generated from 1 only, because the first number up to last number minus 1 only, the list will be generated. 1 plus 2 is 3, that's why only 1 will get generated. Print b, 1 will get printed here. Now the control will come out of the loop and another print. The control will move to the displays to next line, because here when the print statement print b, there is nothing in the end element, only I am giving a space in the double quotation. That's why the slash in will be removed. The next iteration, a takes the value 3 plus 2 is 5 in the inner loop. Now the range is 1 to 5. So what it will do, it will print 1 first. Next control will come here. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 will get printed because the slash n is removed in the end element. It will print in the same line. Next, we'll attempt to increase 3 plus 2, this is 5. Only the loop will go up to last limit minus 1. The control will come out and the print statement will get encountered. The statement after the inner loop. The control will come here now. Next, what it will do? The a will take the value 7. It will come here, a sequence is 1, 3, 5 will get generated. So because 1 comma a minus 1, so it is 7. 1, 3, 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. That's why 7 will not get generated. 1, 3 and 5 are the members of the list of the inner for loop. First iteration it will print 1. It will come here, and next element is 3. It will print 3. Again it will come to the body. It will print 3 plus 2, which is 5. The sequence is over. The control will come out. Here the print, the control will come to the next line. Again it will come here. Now it will take the value 9 from the sequence. Here it will come inside the inner for loop. 1 comma 9 list will get generated for the values 1, 3, 5 and 7, because the last plus 2 is 9. The only the sequence generated from the last value minus 1. So 1, 3, 5, 7 will get generated. That will come here. Print first 1 will get printed, and again it going back to the the list and will take the next value 3, it will print 5, it will print 7. Control will come out, the print statement will get encountered. Now what will happen? The control will come to the next line because all the values are over. Because only 3, 5, 7 and 9 are generated. So the outer loop will get over, the program will halt. Now I am getting a pattern. Now we will execute the program and check the result. See the output 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 7. That's it. You want to give some space, increase the space here within the double quotation. I am running it again. So output is 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 7. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button.